This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Phyllis Scarberry. Make this house your home. Great location in the lakes. Large 3-bedroom/2-bath open split floor plan with big family room and separate breakfast area and snack counter. Tile and laminate floors throughout. New roof December 2017 comes with a 10-year warranty. Master bedroom features a sitting area, has one impact window, Roman tub and separate shower. Located on a cul-de-sac street, within walking distance to schools, Publix, shopping, restaurants and parks. Covered screened patio, fenced yard. The lakes has a community pool and large open park. And number 13, as is with the right to inspect. For more information, review the details below.